Hi everyone, it's me, your girl here again, Mrs. Sherifatu Bakari Joe. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Wow, to my new subscribers, I just want to say thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for watching my videos. For those that are new here, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification button because I make videos every Friday. Yeah. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make brown sandwich. It's just like the normal sandwich I made in my previous video, but slight difference to make it a little bit healthier. So guys, come with me, let's bake. Here are the ingredients you will need to bake your brown sandwich. Here I have 500 grams of flour, 200 grams of whole wheat brown flour. This what's making the sandwich a little bit different from what I did before. Here I have 300 grams of water, 35 grams of powdered milk, 35 grams of sugar, 50 grams of fresh yeast, 150 grams of butter or margarine, 1 egg, and 10 grams of salt. First, my yeast. And then our egg. Now we're going to knead this dough intensively for 15 minutes. Our dough is ready after kneading intensively for 15 minutes. This is how your dough should look like, stretchy. We will leave this to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're just going to press on the hair, a little bit of flour. We're going to leave this to rest for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes again, which is total of 20 minutes. Now we're going to share our dough in 30 pieces, which is 40 grams each. Our dough is cut out 30 pieces, 40 grams. Now we're going to roll our dough. Just take first example. Make sure there is no flour on your work surface, otherwise it's going to be slippery, making it hard for you to roll. See? That's how it looks. It's a mini sandwich. The other one on your palm, it's on my first video. You can also look that and see. Like this, round. So whichever one is easy for you, you choose. So we've made some balls. Now we're going to shape our sandwich, and I have here my parchment and my tray. I'll just take one and show. To roll, you take a ball, place on your work surface without flour. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. That's all. You don't need to roll it out too much. long enough. 1, 2. That's how it is. This is our sandwich. This is how it looks. I'm just going to put some egg wash. After our egg wash, now we're going to leave this to rise for 60 minutes. In the meantime, while you let your bread rise, you preheat your oven 250 degrees. Our bread is rising, as you can see. Now we're going to bake this for 7 minutes. So in the oven. Our sandwich is ready. Take a look at this, guys. Oh. We'll leave this to cool down completely. We'll come back to munch. Our bread is completely cooled off, and you can see how good it's baked. It just open. That's how it is. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification button because I make videos every Friday. And please don't forget to share my channel or share this video for other people. Thank you once again. Your girl Sherry. Bye bye.